Namaste Yogis, hello from India. This is Cass for all of you that don't know me. So, in the background there, you may be able to see, we have Goddess Parvathi, and she is such a powerful goddess. And now I'm going to show you how to find your power through boosting your immunity. Very good for yogis. Here we have Tulsi, and I absolutely love Tulsi tea. It's great for everything. Immune boosting, colds, flu, all those that have been a bit concerned about the corona, all those that either have gone for the corona vaccine or haven't gone for the vaccine. This is just amazing for your health. Incredibly immune boosting, and again, especially good for colds, cough and flu-like symptoms. So with me I have the turmeric tea. So it's kind of yellowy. It doesn't actually taste like turmeric that you put in your curries. This tastes really sweet because it's so fresh. Oh, it's so nice, so fresh. So it has actually got a little bit of a sweet taste to it because that's how fresh it is. So yes, we're being yogis and looking after ourselves and immune boosting. These are great things to do. And of course, as you know, turmeric is available in the UK and you can buy it in the packet. Same with the Tulsi tea. It should be available in the UK or on your Amazon. So yes, just a few immune boosting tips this morning. So I hope you have enjoyed this little video and I will see you soon on the mat.